Hello everybody, this is my 1936 Philco 3762, and this is the early version. As you can see, the photo finish is a little bit rough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this thing up and touch up the spots on it and re-lacquer it. I'm not going to do a photo finish, just re-decal it. Just going to take what we have here and give an example of taking what you have and keeping it as original as possible and making it look as good as possible. This radio works and it's in fairly decent shape. There's no gouges or holes or anything. So I'm just going to do the basic touch up, clean up, actually first clean up, touch up, and then refinish it. It still has a little bit of shine to it. Kind of give you an idea what can be done. I like to, on my old radios, keep them as original as possible. I don't like to really strip them down for several reasons. Number one, there's a lot of work. Secondly, the family does not like all the chemical smell. Secondly, you lose some of the character and historical value if you strip everything down and make it non-original. So this way you can just take some touch-up wood stain. Here's where the knob was, it's the typical rubbing against. Wear that down and just touch up the finish with the available pens that are available, staining pens, and then of course paints, and make it match as close as possible. So we'll see what this looks like. I'll do a part 2 of when I pull the chassis and clean up, so you get an idea what that looks like. And of course there's original knobs and everything. The finish is fairly decent. What's there? Still has a sheen. Oh, okay, that's it for this video. Let's see what it looks like after I clean it up and get ready for the touch-up on the little chip parts.